Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove wrinkles, skin whitening, get fair, spotless and glowing skin with very simple ingredients at home. It works 100% in nourishing your skin and get it to the best glowing skin, glass skin naturally, and it achieves skin whitening up to 3 shades. From first use you will notice a great result, especially if you do have laugh line wrinkles or around eyes wrinkles. This will get you rid of the wrinkles and the fine lines and will get you an amazing results from first use. The first ingredient we need to prepare this is around 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and add it in a clean mixing bowl like so. Then we need to add on it rose water, and if you don't have rose water you can add natural well filtered water or mineral water. Add around 3 teaspoons of water and mix well like so. Now we need to leave it overnight or at least 8 hours to get the chia seeds to fall seeds and it gets into the water and absorb all the water. And then my friends, after it absorbs the water and it will become full, it will be looking like that. Now it's ready to use. We need to add on it 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and here I'm using Colgate toothpaste. You can use any white toothpaste available for you. Add around 1 teaspoon. Don't worry, it's not gonna be harsh on your skin. It's amazingly effective. Now mix the ingredients very well like so. You will find double in quantity. Once we mix well and combine all the ingredients, it's ready to use. Apply it on your skin like so. Apply generous amount. Apply it on your face. Don't worry, it's not harsh for the face. Even if you do have sensitive skin, it will work for you because chia seeds contains omega-3 fatty acids and it has a lot of benefits for your skin. It nourishes the skin naturally, so you won't feel any harsh from the toothpaste. And now my friends, leave it to dry out completely and then rinse it with lukewarm water, and the result will amaze you from first use. Remove the skin wrinkles and any fine lines, any dark spots, black spots. You will get skin whitening naturally.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.